Good morning, friends. In last two session, we have discussed about number of parts of cells. Okay, in which we have discussed many different parts. Okay, but mainly three components of the main three components of the cells are nucleus, cytoplasm, and third one is cell membrane. Okay, or let's say you can say a plasma membrane. Okay, so, in this session, we will study about the last topic remaining from this chapter, and that is comparison of plant and animal cells. Okay, so as we have discussed in the last session also, that in this vacuole you can write that this. Okay, let's study this paragraph once again. Okay, let's discuss this. So while observing the onion cells under the microscope, did you notice at any blank looking structures in the cytoplasm? It is called vacuole. Okay, you may have gone through this. You may see this in the figure of activity 8.3. Okay, so it is called vacuole. It could be a single and big as in an onion cell. Cheek cells have smaller vacuoles. Okay, observe here. Cheek cells have smaller vacuoles. Large vacuoles are common in plant cells. Vacuoles in animal cells are much smaller. Okay, so we can say in animal cells, these vacuoles are much smaller, while in plant cells, vacuoles are larger. Okay, comparatively. So this is the first difference. Okay, after this, in comparison, let's study. So we have already gone through this activity 8.3 and 8.4. Okay, in 8.3 we have observed, we have discussed the cell of onion peel. Okay, and in 8.4 we have gone through a cell of a cheek. Okay, or cheek. Okay, or let's say animal cell. So you should be able to compare plant and animal cells. Observe the plant and animal cells carefully in figure 8.7 A and B. Here we have given plant and animal cell in A and figure A and B respectively. Let us tabulate the similarities and distinguishing of features of plant and animal cells. Only a few features are mentioned. You may add more in table 8.1. See, this is the last one, seventh. We have already discussed in last session. So now you are given. Okay, so this is the figure 8.7 A and B. In this A, you can observe this plant cell. Okay, in which cell membrane is present, vacuole is present. Okay, but it is quite bigger. Okay, observe here in plant cell it is much larger, we can say. Okay, while it is very small in animal cell. After this, next one is nucleus. Here nucleus is at the center. Okay, in this animal cell is it is at the center, we can say, while here it is at the side. Okay, after this, next one is cytoplasm is cytoplasm only. Okay, it is simply jelly like material between the nucleus and the cell membrane. Okay, and here you are given one more, we can say, after zooming the figure. Okay, so after zooming this figure you can see this cell wall. Okay, cell membrane also, you can say, and after outside the cell membrane it is cell wall. Okay, this is chloroplast. We have discussed in the 3D model. Okay, during the 3D model. Okay, so try to complete this table 8.1. Okay, after visualizing of after observing this figure. Okay, figure 8.7 and A and B, just try to complete this table 8.1. Okay, although I will try to include in your PDF material. Okay, I will put it in your PDF material. It's okay. Okay, so that's it for today. I will send this PDF of this chapter as soon as possible, and as usual. Okay, let me give you one more time. Okay, let me give you this advice one more time. Just simply don't copy. Try to understand the concepts. Okay, go through the chapter thoroughly. Okay, and after this try to write down in your fair note. Okay. Thank you very much. That's it for today. Thank you very much, and have a nice day to all of you.